Welcome back. This weekend I went over to help at the local Beaveree, which is part of one of our Greater Toronto Scout troops. The event was taking place at Woodland Trails, which is a location we haven't been to in quite some time because it was actually damaged in a tornado in 2022. It's interesting to see what was left over, what the aftermath was from this tornado. You can see there's just lush forest around Woodland Trails, but you might be able to notice that there's lots of downed trees. And here's an example of it. The tornado cut a path right through Woodland Trails, which took down a couple of shelters and went through a couple of campsites, unfortunately. Some damage that you can see from the ground is, here's an example of it. There was an outhouse, one beside the other. One just got totally destroyed, I guess from a tree falling on it, while the other one was spared. So unfortunately at this scout camp, the girls will have to move over to another campsite to use their washrooms. Again, there's lush forest everywhere, but then you can see this tract of damaged down trees. Luckily the pool area was not damaged from the tornado, but right beside it you can see all the trees that were taken down. Just going over another campsite before we actually move over to what it looks like at ground level. So this was the second Asian Court campsite.
I don't know, either that or over here somewhere. See, they still got yellow caution tape up down here.
Yeah, that's the devastation that twister that went through Uxbridge did. Just piles of wood from all the down trees. Well, thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button, and if you enjoy this channel, please subscribe.